Changed your mind about that movie? Don't worry. This quick guide will show you exactly how to cancel your Cineplex tickets and understand the refund process. First, head over to Cineplex.com and sign into your account using your email address and password. This is important because you need to access your purchase history. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account section. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of the screen. Then, click on Purchase History. This will display a list of all your previous Cineplex ticket purchases. Find the specific movie ticket order you want to cancel. Click on the order to view the details. Look for a Cancel button. It's usually located near the bottom of the order details. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your cancellation. Read the cancellation policy carefully and pay attention to any deadlines for cancellations, which is usually at least 3 hours before the showtime. If you're within the allowed time frame, click Confirm Cancellation. You should now see a confirmation message stating that your tickets have been successfully canceled. The message will also outline the refund process. Typically, refunds are credited back to your original method of payment within 5 to 10 business days. If you have any questions or don't see the refund within the expected time frame, check the Cineplex Facts section for more detailed information on their refund policies. And that's it. Now you know how to easily cancel your Cineplex tickets.